How to avoid losing money in trading. If you want to become a successful trader, you must accept that some losses are inevitable. Acceptance is the first crucial step. Only if you know your enemy, you can fight it and win. If you are aware of the risk, you will be more prudent and make better decisions. To succeed, you need to know how to pick levels for opening a trade, how to determine the future direction of the market, where to place take profit targets, and stop loss orders. Trading with real money isn't easy, and you are probably not ready for it now. After you read about this thing, watch a video or attend a webinar, you will have to practice trading on a demo account. Of course, demo account won't bring you any money, but it will give you a sense of trading. Your own trading experience is your most significant advantage in trading. It's best to acquire this experience while your account is still small. Only then, as you gain more experience and your account grows, you'll be able to increase your trading volume. Not before that. The most important thing is to do that gradually. On your real life account, never risk more than 5% per trade. Even as your account grows, you'll be protected from big losses if you follow this principle. That brings me to the next topic. Far too many new traders choose to trade against the trend. If you ask me, this is one of the most common mistakes beginners traders make. Stop this habit right now, because it's the one that's killing your account. Trend trading is preferable over counter trend trading. Stick it in your head. A trend acts as a filter that helps eliminate bad ideas. If you go in the market direction, you increase your trade's probability of success. Buying in an uptrend and selling in a downtrend is more likely to pay off. Look at it this way. You boost your chances of making profit. Stop losses. You must respect them as if they are the most important thing in your life. Never ever move your stop loss. There are a countless number of traders who are out of the game because they haven't respected the stop losses. Your risks are something you can have a complete control over. That's why it's so important to use this advantage. In every trade, you are free to choose the risk-reward ratio. That is the ratio between the stop loss and take profit. The best way is to make sure that your take profit is always bigger than your stop loss. And that's why I don't recommend going for 4 ticks in the ES. If the stop loss is 3 points in the ES, with a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, your take profit will be equal to 6 points. You risk losing 3 points, $150, to make 6 points, $300. If you stick to this ratio, one good trade will bring you 2 times more money than you will lose in any bad trade. With a trading system that gives more than 50% of good trades, you will be in profit. How to find a good trading system? In my opinion, the recipe for a profitable system is that it should have several components. In other words, you should make your buy-sell decision purely on price action. Indicators and other instruments of technical analysis are useless in my opinion. Keep it simple. You don't need any secret indicator or sophisticated method. I trade purely price action on a 2000 tick chart without any indicators but a 21 EMA. That's more than enough for me. I don't need any sophisticated indicators, some secret systems. All these things are just redundant. You need to know how to read the chart, how to find the trap traders, and trade against them. That's all you need. If you are serious about trading, I would suggest you to learn how to trade price action on a naked chart. The way to become profitable as a trader is to one time and for all stop the never-ending cycle of chasing the next indicator. It doesn't exist. There is absolutely no indicator in the world that will tell you what will be the next move. It is impossible. It's just an illusion. You'll be much better off focusing all your attention on learning how to trade price action on a naked chart. If you will invest the time to study price action, purely price action, you will be amazed with the results. Your P&L will look completely different. Most new traders don't want to hear that. But here I say it. Experience, experience, experience. With more experience, you become a better trader. Don't expect to become the most profitable trader in the world within 6 months. Real life doesn't work like that. Give yourself some time. Invest in the right place. And the right place to invest is by studying how to trade price action. Leave aside all the indicators. You don't need them. You don't need to pay money for anything. Everything is just in front of your eyes. All the information you ever needed about trading was always in front of you. I will say it again. All the information you ever needed about trading was always there in front of you. You just need to learn how to read the price action correctly. The problem with new traders is that they come to this business with the idea of getting rich fast. And it doesn't work. You can't get rich fast in trading. Nobody can. Look at the most common pattern between successful traders, and most of them will tell you that it took them years. Now, I'm not saying that it has to take years for you, because you can learn everything within a few weeks and then try to implement it step by step. It will take you some time, as it took me, as it took all the successful traders in the world. But I was there. I blew up 4 trading accounts. 4 trading accounts. Till I came to the conclusion that by chasing another indicator, another secret method, I will find myself back again in the same place. It's a closed loop. Don't go that way. Price action, in my opinion, after trying, 150 different indicators, price action on a naked chart with a 2-legged pullback is the best way to day trade and scalp the market.